Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix iMessage is not working on your iPhone and how we can fix it. So let's get started. So if you're having any trouble with this, the first one is all about we have to go over here, tap on the settings. Now from here you have to scroll it down all the way down. Now we have to tap on the apps. Now from here either you have to scroll it down like this or you can search here for message app. Now click on this. Now from here what you need to do is you have to scroll it down a little bit and you have to make sure that the iMessage is turned on, and also you can try turning off the iMessage and try turning it on. It's gonna act like a refreshing, so you have to check with it, and also make sure the send and receive that you have given your correct number and your email ID, the main iCloud account over here like this, and you have to go back. After trying or turning off and turning on, still if it's not working, you can just close everything here, just close everything. Then what you need to do is either you can go to the control center over here like this, try turning on the airplane mode. So what happens is this is gonna act like a refreshing to your network. When you turn it off, it's gonna act like that. Sometimes a refreshing network can fix the issue up because it's all related to the internet or the Wi-Fi cellular kind of things. So just do a airplane mode, just wait for 5 to 10 seconds, then you have to turn it off and you have to check. Still if you're having the trouble, then what you need to do is we have to go to the settings here. Now from here we have to scroll it down and navigate to the general. Tap on the general. Now we have to scroll it down, tap on the transfer or reset iPhone, tap on the reset, and there is an option called reset network settings. So this is actually associated with the network. So what happens is if you have already saved any Wi-Fi and all those things, those will be lost. It not be affecting your data, and you need to connect back to the Wi-Fi and all those things, then you have to check. Sometimes for some users, what you need to do is you have to go to the settings. This is another step. Go to the profile at the top. Now from here, if you scroll it down, try signing out from your account from here, Apple account. Then you have to try signing in back. After you signing in back, what you need to make sure one thing, that you have to go back to the settings. Now once again, you have to scroll down to the bottom, tap on the apps. Now from here, go to the message app once again. Now tap on this, then make sure the iMessage is enabled. After enabling the iMessage, you have to check whether that's going to help you guys or not. Still if you're having the trouble, then what you need to do is you just need to go back everything. Now we have to do a forced restart on your device. So if you don't know how to do a forced restart, you have to press the volume up followed by the volume down. Then you have to press and hold the power button over here unless and until you see the Apple logo. So let me demonstrate you that. All you have to do is just press, make sure that you do it all in an instant of time. It should not be delayed. Just start with this, press volume up followed by the volume down. Keep pressing the power button over here like this. You have to just release the button when you see the Apple logo. Just release the finger from the power button, and now just wait for a little bit of time so that the phone will be completely loaded up. Once it's successfully loading up, you can check whether the issue is solved or not. Right, you have to go back, give your respective passcode, then you have to check with it. Another one, what you need to do is after trying with all these things, there are two reasons why this is keep on happening or still it's not fixed. You have to go over here in the settings. Now from here you have to scroll it down a little bit and navigate to the general. From here you have to scroll it down, and what you need to do is you have to check for the VPN and device management. If you're connected to any VPN, that is a reason, so just disconnect the VPN if it is connected, and you can just go back as well from here. Now scroll it down. The last step is all about go to the transfer or reset iPhone, go to the reset here, and there is an option called reset old settings. Keep in mind that the resetting old settings won't delete any of your personal data. What happens is it is going to just reset all the settings over there. After the resetting, you just need to go back once again. Now from here you have to search here either for the message app from here, or you can just go back to the apps from here itself. You can just go scroll it down, go to the apps. Now type here for message, because after the resetting network settings, sometimes this might be turned off accidentally, so you have to try turning on this. So these are the steps when it comes to how to fix this, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. That's it. Bye.